Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so pumped you are here today because we are talking about a kitchen powerhouse that is about to make your mornings smoother and your parties legendary, the Ninja BL610 Professional 72-ounce countertop blender. If you are fed up with blenders that choke on ice or leave your smoothies chunky, this one is your ticket to pro-level blending without breaking the bank. Picture whipping up creamy frozen drinks for the whole crew, crushing nuts into butter like a chef, or pureeing soups that taste gourmet, all in a sleek machine that fits right on your counter. No more frustration with weak motors or hard-to-clean parts. This budget beast turns everyday blending into effortless fun. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the Ninja BL610 deserves a spot in your lineup. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you lock in the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us break down the features of this blender champ. First up, the build is solid and user-friendly. It has a compact base that is about 7 inches wide and 18 inches tall, weighing around 7 pounds, so it slides under cabinets and stays put with suction feet. The 72-ounce pitcher holds up to 64 ounces of liquid, perfect for family-sized batches of 4 to 6 smoothies. It is made of sturdy BPA-free plastic that is clear for easy monitoring, with a comfortable handle and a secure locking lid that has a pour spout to avoid spills. The star is the 1,000-watt motor, delivering pro power that tackles tough jobs without stalling. Paired with the Total Crushing Technology blades, a 6-blade assembly stacked sharp and curved, it pulverizes ice into snow, blends fibrous greens like kale, and mixes thick batters evenly. The blades are removable for deep cleaning, which is a huge plus. Controls are straightforward with 3 manual speeds, low for light mixes, medium for everyday blending, high for heavy crushing, and a pulse button for precise control. No fancy presets or timers, but the 1-minute smoothie cycle on high mimics a timed program, and it is intuitive enough for anyone. Safety features include a magnetic safety switch that only runs when the lid and pitcher are locked tight, plus overheat protection to prevent burnout. Cleanup is a breeze. The pitcher, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, or just add soap and water, pulse for 30 seconds, and rinse. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty, and Ninja's reputation means it holds up for years of daily use. Available in black and silver, it looks sharp on any counter. Price is around $80, making it an absolute steal for the performance. Okay, now for the straight talk. Pros and cons after weeks of blending everything from green smoothies to margaritas. Pros first. Number 1, the power is unreal for the price. That 1,000-watt motor crushes ice like nobody's business, turning frozen fruit into silky drinks in under a minute. Number 2, the 72-ounce capacity is family gold, handling big batches without overflow. Number 3, blades create a vortex that pulls ingredients down, so no more scraping sides mid-blend. Number 4, it is versatile for smoothies, frozen drinks, purees, and even basic doughs. Number 5, easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe parts means less hassle and more sipping. Number 6, the simple controls are beginner-friendly with pulse giving total control. Overall, it punches way above its weight, rivaling pricier models in everyday tasks. Now, cons to keep it real. 1, no dedicated presets or timer, so you watch the clock for recipes. 2, it struggles with very tough purees like hummus or nut butters, needing multiple stirs. 3, the pitcher is plastic, which some prefer glass for durability, though it is tough. 4, blades are super sharp, so handle with care during cleaning. 5, it is loud on high, around 90 decibels like a vacuum. 6, no personal cups included, so add-ons cost extra for single serves. But here's the scoop. The pros far outweigh the cons for most folks. If you blend a few times a week for smoothies, drinks, or soups and want reliable power on a budget, this makes total sense. It is not for heavy-duty food processing, but for home use craving pro results without fuss, it is a slam dunk. So, my recommendation, snag the Ninja BL610 Professional Blender today. It simplifies healthy habits, amps up parties, and saves cash long-term. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your smoothies will never be the same. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more kitchen wins and click the link to support us. What is your first blend? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching, you legends. If this helped, like the video, share with a friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.